Hello friends, hope all of you are well and fine. Today I will discuss about the Bluetooth module HC05, its connections and output. Before starting, this is Priya from Shiny Electronics Studio, and if you are a new viewer, then at first hit the subscribe and bell icon for all latest updates, and don't forget to like and share it with your friends. So let's start.
Zombie apocalypse.
The HC05 is a very cool module which can add a two-way full duplex wireless functionality to our projects. You can use this module to communicate between two microcontrollers like the Arduino, or communicate with any device serially with Bluetooth functionality like a phone or laptop. There are many Android applications that are already available, which makes the process a lot easier. So for this project we should require a Arduino Uno, the Bluetooth module HC05, the USB cable, and some jumper wires, male to female jumper wires. Also we should need a LED to see the output of the Bluetooth module. So let's start the connection. At first, in the Bluetooth module we can see that there are 6 pins: state, RX, TX, ground, VCC and enable. Okay, and the level is here written 3.3 volt and the power is 3.6 to 6 volts. Okay, we should power it up with the 5 volt of the Arduino. Okay, so, and the state and enable pin are not needed. We should need only the middle 4 pins, that is the RX, TX, ground and VCC. Okay, after connecting, we should connect the VCC to the 5 volt of the Arduino, the ground to the ground of the Arduino, the TX of the Bluetooth module to the RX of the Arduino Uno, and the RX to the TX of the Arduino Uno. So you can see the connection is very simple. Okay, the red jumper RX is connected to the TX on the Arduino. You can see here clearly. The orange jumper TX is connected to the RX of the Arduino, which is the 0 number pin. Okay, and the VCC and ground are connected to the 5 volt and ground on this side of the Arduino. Okay, so very simple connection, but during the upload of the code you should remove the TX and RX pins. Okay, this TX and RX pins you have to remove during the uploading of the code. After uploading the code you should connect the TX and RX again. Okay, connect to your desktop. Okay, remove the TX and RX pins. First you should see the continuous blinking of the Bluetooth module. The red light will blink continuously. Okay, in the programming section, at first we should open the Arduino software, then we should go to the Bluetooth module HC05. Here I have given all the connections of the Bluetooth module with the Arduino, and here the serial.begin is declared at the void setup part, because the Bluetooth module both receives and transmits the data in serial form. Okay, so this is important. Pin mode 13, output. This means we should take the output through the pin number 13 of the Arduino Uno. That means the anode of the LED will be connected to the pin number 13 of the Arduino, and the cathode of the LED will be connected to the ground of the Arduino. Okay, if serial.available is greater than 0, that means the Bluetooth module will compare the serial data. If it is greater than 0, that means serial data available is greater than 0, then it will read the incoming value. Serial dot read means it will read the incoming value serially, okay, and it will also print the value, incoming value, serially. As I have said earlier that it will transmit and receive the data serially, okay. So it will print the data in the new line. /n means here new line, okay. And if incoming value from the smartphone is equals 1, that means it will compare the value, incoming value, with 1. Equals means to compare. It will compare the value with 1. If it is equal to 1, then the pin number 13 output or LED will be high, and else, that means otherwise, if it is equals with 0, that means if I press there off, then it will be equals 0, then the pin number 13, output of the pin number 13 will be low, okay. That means the LED will become off and the output will be 0, okay. So this is the whole program. You should check out in the description box for the program. So that's it. So now let's upload the code to your Arduino. A error occurred because I have selected here Arduino 0, no, I have not selected the port here. You should select the port here, and there should be a check mark on the port, okay. Again upload the code. Now it is uploaded. After the code is uploaded, we should connect the TX and the RX pins. And we should connect the LED to the pin number 13, okay. Here you can see the 13 and ground are adjacent, so we should connect the anode and cathode of the LED here, okay. So now our connection is fully complete. Now we should open our smartphone. At first we should let me start with the beginning. At first we should switch on the Bluetooth. Here you can see the HC05 is highlighted. You should click on this, and here it will want the necessary password. Try 4 zeros or 1 2 3 4, which are the default password of the Bluetooth module. So let's try with the 1 2 3 4. So now paired devices HC05, okay. Our Bluetooth module is successfully paired. So now let's come to this app, Bluetooth terminal, okay. I should give the app link in the description box. You can check out in the description box for the app link. After opening the app, you should go here and connect to Bluetooth, okay. Here your HC05 is highlighted. Click on it, and here successfully connected. This bar will highlight and it will turn green in color. And see, after connection your Bluetooth module will blink somewhat like this after a certain interval. It will not blink continuously like initially it was blinking. If this kind of situation happens, then you should understand that your Bluetooth module is successfully connected to your Android. So now let's test the output. At first I am sending some data. You can send any character you want via, okay. If I send any character through here, let's send S. Send. See here, terminal for viewing data sent from Bluetooth. The Bluetooth module has sent this S, okay. I have sent S from the mobile, from the Android to the Bluetooth module, and the Bluetooth has in return sent me this S. That means it is working perfectly. Again let's send A, send. See, it has again sent it. Now Y, send Y. Okay, so in this way you should test your Bluetooth module. Now let's see the output through the LED. On, so you can see the LED has become on. Off, on. You can also put other LEDs on 2, on 4, on 6, on 8. You can also connect other LEDs and test it. I have connected to on 1. So in this way the Bluetooth module works. Okay, so you can see other off buttons will not work, only the off 0 will work here. Okay, similarly here on 2, 4, 6, 8 will not work, only on 1 will work here. Okay, and also the off 0. See, without any connection you can on a LED through the Arduino and by using a smartphone in this way. It is a remote control effect and it is very wonderful. You can also try this at home and easily. So thanks a lot for watching guys. Stay tuned on my channel for all latest electronics videos. I will be back soon on my next video. So till then, have a nice time.